My dear students, my dear researchers, my dear scholars, American viewpoint, European viewpoint. Max Weber becoming unhappy with its own bureaucratic structure. Management scholars coming from North America, coming from Great Britain, coming from France, giving their concept how to do better in public enterprises as well as business enterprises. But when we speak of the management, especially the business enterprises and the role of economics, and we study the Adam Smith's contribution to the economic growth and naturally the business growth, the name of Schumpeter becomes very important. Schumpeter, an Austrian economist, again Austria in Europe. यूरोप भी देखिए 20th सेंचुरी में उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट था जितना कि नॉर्थ अमेरिका. ये तो सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद यूरोप डिक्लाइन कर गया और नॉर्थ अमेरिकन, बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स बिजनेस व्यू पॉइंट, बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स लेस पब्लिक इन्फ्लुएंस, because of the less social institution and government influence on business, picked up the heat of the business and became the leader of the world in business. Schumpeter, an Australian economist, is known even today as a guru of entrepreneurship. Very important area. It's important for every economy. Now, Schumpeter, Dr. Schumpeter, was against bureaucracy. He was a critic. He was critical of bureaucracy. Why? He believed that the large structure of the organization, a very long hierarchy, and the control of the government will not help the GDP of the country. It will not help the economic growth. Now, he presented his own ideas, being an economist. What did he say? Well, his contribution is that I'm not satisfied, I'm skeptical about this large bureaucratic organization. The big bureaucracies will never be able to contribute to the growth of the economy of the country. अच्छा, आज अगर आप इसकी एग्जाम्पल देखें तो शायद इसकी बात कुछ सही भी नजर आती. मिसाल के तौर पर रेलवे, चाहे वो रेलवे पाकिस्तान की हो, चाहे वो रेलवे ग्रेट ब्रिटेन की हो, लार्ज ब्यूरोक्रेसी, ह्यूज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ऐसा है ना, पाकिस्तान स्टील मिल, ए ह्यूज स्ट्रक्चर. इसी तरह से गवर्नमेंट के हॉस्पिटल की तरफ आप आ जाएं. Schumpeter says it becomes difficult to control a large structure. Well, then what should we do? He talked about on the role of the entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is an individual who not only invest money, yes, he invest money, but along with the money, he bring in knowledge, he bring in leadership, and he bring in innovative ideas. That becomes the driver of the economic growth. वो जो static large structure है, उसकी बजाय he believes in the dynamism. Schumpeter came up with his own theory of entrepreneurship. It included that you must analyze a relationship between the entrepreneur and the capital. पैसों के बगैर तो बात नहीं बनेगी. खाली idea alone is not good enough. Although मैं हमेशा ये कहा करता हूं और मैं फिर दोबारा रिपीट करता हूं कि idea brings money, money does not bring idea. Entrepreneur brings idea. He needs money. He can have his own money, or he should be able to generate money from the market. That's where the venture capitalist comes in. People have money, but they don't have ideas. So they're ready to invest into the idea of the entrepreneur who was an individual. वो आइडिया तो अपना ऑस्ट्रेलिया में दे रहा है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया आज भी यूरोप का एक छोटा सा मुल्क है. किसी जमाने में जर्मनी का, साउथ जर्मनी का हिस्सा हुआ करता था. बट एनी हाउ, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल आइडियाज. इसका जो तीसरा कंपोनेंट है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इनोवेशन. And how the entrepreneur will keep on creating economic value. See, dynamism is brought in. Yes, capital is important, but the idea is also important. An idea is where the entrepreneur comes in. And there must be innovative. He believed that entrepreneurs are the drivers of the business and economy. और इसके आइडियाज को यूरोप में कम इस्तेमाल किया गया. नॉर्थ अमेरिका ने इसके आइडियाज को पिक कर लिया. Schumpeter is also famous for his theory of creative destruction. ये नोट कीजिए इसको, थ्योरी ऑफ क्रिएटिव डिस्ट्रक्शन. ये वो थ्योरी है कि जिसने कैमरों की बिजनेस को खत्म कर दिया. ये वो थ्योरी है जिसने टेप रिकॉर्डर की बिजनेस और उन कंपनियों को खत्म कर दिया. ये वो थ्योरी है जिसने वीसीआर को खत्म कर दिया. ये वो थ्योरी है जो एक जमाने में डेस्कटॉप को भी खत्म कर देगा और सब कुछ मोबाइल फोन में आ जाएगा. What does that mean? You keep on creating innovative ideas, and naturally, when you will come up with new ideas, old ideas will be destroyed. That is the concept of entrepreneurship. तो लोगों को सोचना चाहिए, Schumpeter का कहना है कि everybody should become an entrepreneur. He should think how he or she will survive in future on the basis of the idea. अच्छा, ये बात कर रहा है 20th century में, लेकिन ideas are excellent. और North American economy gave a lot of importance to the entrepreneur. They actually opened their doors for the entrepreneurship. Anybody can come up with the idea. Banks are ready to give you the loan. High school के students, college के students आपको बेतहाशा नजर आएंगे. छोटे छोटे बिजनेस, बिग बिजनेस बन गए. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट क्या था? एक आदमी था ना, उस आइडिया को लेकर चला. खाली उसके पास विंडोज ही थी, बल्कि शुरू में विंडोज भी नहीं थी. उसने कहीं से जाकर न्यू मैक्सिको से किसी से जाके वो डॉस वाला ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम खरीदा था. बस भाई वो स्मार्ट इनफ. इसी तरह से उबर का आइडिया आज देख लीजिए आप. तो टैक्सी वालों को, टैक्सी की बिजनेस वालों को सोचना चाहिए कि टेक्नोलॉजी आ चुकी है, कम्युनिकेशन है, तो किस तरह से ये हमारी बिजनेस को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रही है. एंड वी हैव टू कम अप विद न्यू मॉडल. लेट्स कम बैक टू management thought. So creative destruction was the idea of Schumpeter. He described creative destruction as a process which will revolutionize the economic structure and the economic growth, and it will destroy the old ideas and it will create a new ideas. It will bring in the change, and change is important in life of individual, life of the country, life of the nation, life of the factory, life of the business. Is it true or not? Thank you for your attention.